Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
In Dialogue, Ali Sara, mid-morning chat, topic, using at for location. Sara, hi Ali. Are you busy at work? Ali, yes, I'm working at my desk. Sara, what are you working on? Ali, I'm writing some emails. Sara, do you have a big meeting today? Ali, yes, at 3 p.m. Sara, that's good. Don't forget to take a lunch break. Ali, I won't. Thanks for reminding me. Sara, okay, talk to you later. Ali, bye.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.